Living in Austin, Texas, means you're surrounded by an eclectic mix of culture, music, and urban growth. With so much happening, it's no surprise that many residents find themselves in need of professional junk removal services. Whether you're clearing out clutter from your home, tackling a renovation, or needing to dispose of bulky items, Austin Central P.W. has earned the trust of homeowners and businesses alike for efficient, reliable, and eco-friendly junk removal services in the city's busy neighborhoods. Here's why Austin Central P.W. has become the go-to company for junk removal in Austin and why so many locals trust them for their cleanup needs. Efficiency and speed. One of the top reasons homeowners and businesses in Austin's busy neighborhoods choose Austin Central P.W. for their junk removal needs is the company's commitment to efficiency and speed. In a city where time is valuable, especially with the busy schedules of residents, you need a company that can complete the job quickly and effectively. Whether it's single-item removal or a full-scale property cleanout, Austin Central P.W. offers same-day or next-day service to accommodate your busy life. They understand that you don't have the time to wait around, which is why their team works swiftly without compromising the quality of their service. Their professional team arrives on time, ready to clear out the clutter with minimal disruption to your daily routine. From the moment you call, Austin Central P.W. will make the entire process as seamless as possible, allowing you to focus on what really matters. Professional and friendly service. Austin Central P.W. is known for its professionalism and friendly customer service. It's one thing to hire a junk removal company, but it's another to work with a team that treats you with respect and provides a positive experience from start to finish. The staff at Austin Central P.W. are fully trained and experienced, ensuring that your junk is removed properly, safely, and without damage to your property. Moreover, they take the time to answer your questions, provide helpful advice, and explain the junk removal process clearly so you can make informed decisions. Their friendly approach and commitment to customer satisfaction have earned them numerous 5-star reviews from happy customers throughout Austin's neighborhoods. Eco-friendly practices. Living in Austin, a city that prides itself on being environmentally conscious, residents are often keen on ensuring that their waste is disposed of properly. Austin Central P.W. is committed to eco-friendly junk removal practices, making them a trusted choice for those who care about reducing their environmental footprint. The company sorts through all collected junk and ensures that as much as possible is recycled, donated, or reused. They partner with local recycling centers and charitable organizations, ensuring that items like furniture, electronics, and household goods are put to good use rather than ending up in a landfill. By choosing Austin Central P.W., you're not only getting rid of unwanted junk, but you're also contributing to a more sustainable and eco-friendly Austin. Affordable and transparent pricing. Affordability is key when it comes to junk removal, and Austin Central P.W. stands out for offering fair and transparent pricing. The company believes in providing upfront estimates, so you never have to worry about hidden fees or surprises when the job is done. When you contact Austin Central P.W., They'll provide you with an accurate estimate based on the volume of junk you need to remove. There are no hourly rates or extra charges for labor, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Whether you're cleaning out a garage, removing construction debris, or simply getting rid of a few bulky items, you can count on affordable pricing and no surprises along the way. Serving Austin's busy neighborhood. Austin's neighborhoods can be busy and dynamic, with a diverse range of properties, from historic homes to modern condos. Austin Central P.W. is familiar with the specific needs of these neighborhoods and is well equipped to handle various types of junk removal. Whether you live in downtown Austin, South Congress, Zilker, or North Loop, Austin Central P.W. can handle junk removal in urban environments, tight spaces, and residential areas. Their team is trained to navigate through complex neighborhoods with ease, making sure your junk is removed quickly without causing disruptions to traffic or local businesses. Their extensive experience in Austin's local communities allows them to provide services tailored to the unique demands of each area, ensuring your junk removal experience is smooth and hassle-free. Comprehensive services for homes and businesses. Austin Central P.W. doesn't just serve homeowners. They also offer commercial junk removal for businesses in the area. Whether it's clearing out office furniture, removing construction debris after a renovation, or handling the disposal of old appliances or electronics, Austin Central P.W. is equipped to handle large-scale cleanouts with the same level of care and efficiency as residential projects. Their comprehensive range of services, including appliance removal, furniture hauling, yard waste disposal, and more, makes them the perfect solution for anyone needing junk removal in Austin's busy neighborhoods. Reliability and trustworthiness. When it comes to junk removal, you want a company you can rely on to show up on time, handle your belongings with care, and get the job done without complications. Austin Central P.W. has built a reputation for being reliable and trustworthy, making them the go-to choice for many Austin residents and businesses. Their commitment to delivering top-notch service and meeting deadlines has made them a trusted name in the junk removal industry. Whether you're looking to clear out a single item or tackle an entire estate cleanout, you can count on Austin Central P.W. to get the job done efficiently and professionally. Conclusion: the trusted choice for junk removal in Austin. For Austin's busy neighborhoods, Austin Central P.W. offers a reliable, efficient, and eco-friendly solution to junk removal. With their fast service, professional staff, transparent pricing, and commitment to sustainability, they're the company that residents and businesses turn to when they need to clear out unwanted items quickly and responsibly. If you're ready to reclaim your space and get rid of unwanted junk, contact Austin Central P.W. today for a stress-free experience that you can trust.